Hey, real estate investors, this is Scott Carson. I want to welcome you to the number one YouTube channel for note and real estate investors. That's right, WeCloseNotes.com. I've been an active real estate investor for over 20 years, focused predominantly on just buying and investing in performing and non-performing notes since really 2007. So I want to encourage you to take the time, really dive into our channel here. We've got an amazing amount of podcast episodes, videos, interviews, case studies, tape breakdowns to really help you take your note investments to a whole nother level this year. As always, you can feel free to book a phone call with me, ask me questions directly at talkwithscottcarson.com. But our YouTube channel here has thousands and thousands of videos and real case studies for you to dive in and learn the note business. Not just theory. We're not just talking notes. We are all about closing notes. So we'll show you how to close your first deal in the first 90 days. Make sure to take a look at all of our podcast episodes, whether it's the Note Closer Show, Note Night in America, whichever one you like watching. You can catch the replays there. And we're so honored to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you stay alert of all our new content, all our new videos, and all the great education that we're providing for you guys out there, whether you're a seasoned note investor or brand new to the note investing side of real estate. We're honored to have you here. And thank you again for helping to make us the number one YouTube channel for note investing, along with that, the number one podcast at the Note Closer Show as well. So subscribe, dive in, listen, and like I said, feel free to make a book a phone call me at talkwithscottcarson.com. We are here to help you, take that note and real estate business to a whole nother level. So go out, take some action, everybody, and we'll see you at the top.